Storytime. Today we are reading Over in a River Flowing Out to the Sea. And this was written by Marianne Berkes, illustrated by Jill Dubin. Here we go. Over in a river flowing out to the sea. Over in a river where the warm waters run lived a mother manatee and her little calf, one. Paddle, said the mother. I paddle, said the one. So they paddled in a river where the warm waters run. Down by me. That's where the warm waters run, down in Florida. Over in a river where the cattails grew lived a mother blue heron and her little chicks too. Stand, said the mother. We stand, said the two. So they stood like statues where the cattails grew. Ooh, salmon. Over in a river flowing out to the sea lived a mother wild salmon and her little smolts three. Splash, said the mother. We splash, said the three. So they splashed down the river flowing out to the sea. I've been over here too. Oregon. Over in a river, in a nest on the shore, lived a mother mallard duck and her little ducklings four. Waddle, said the mother. We waddle, said the four. So they waddled to a river for their nest on the shore. Over in a river where they swallowed prey alive lived a mother water snake and her little hatchlings five. Slither, said the mother. We slither, said the five. So they slithered by a river where they swallowed prey alive. Ooh. Over in a river, in their lodge built with sticks, lived a busy mother beaver and her little kits, six. Gnaw, said the mother. We gnaw, said the six. So they gnawed on the bark near their lodge built with sticks. Over in a river, darting up toward heaven, lived a mother dragonfly and her dragonflies seven. Whirl, said the mother. We whirl, said the seven. So they whirled above the river, darting up toward heaven. And they have that in the Rio Grande. Over in a river where they could communicate lived a furry mother muskrat and her little kits eight. Squeal, said the mother. We squeal, said the eight. So they squealed in a river where they could communicate. They have them in the Mississippi River. Ooh, ribbit. Over in a river in the warm sunshine lived a mother tree frog and her little froglets nine. Hop, said the mother. We hop, said the nine. So they hopped to a river in the warm sunshine. And I can't read it, but it's over in California. Over in the river, where they played in their den, lived a father river otter and his little pups 10. Slide, said the father. We slide, said the 10. So they slid in the mud and they played in their den. And they're in the Mississippi River too. Over in a river flowing out to the sea. River animals have homes, swimming wild and flying free. Find the river babies from 10 to 1, then go back and start over, 'cause this rhyme isn't done. Over in a river, you can spy with your eyes to find 10 hidden creatures Every page has a surprise. So look, the manatees down here by Gigi, the otters on the Mississippi River, and they're all the way over the snakes in Ohio River. The Hudson River has the crane. The St. Lawrence River has the ducks. The Colorado River has the beavers. The Rio Grande has the dragonflies. Oh, the Sacramento River has the frog. Over in California. Very cool. Over in a river. Gigi loves you. Mwah. I miss you. Toodaloo, kangaroos. Until next time.